Full of beach. Full of like. So Grace on fleek, outfit on fleek, everything on fleek, fleek, fleek. Like, people, let's go.
Go let it sash.
Early morning, no girl say yeah, make a hold on tight. Early morning, no girl say yeah, make a hold on tight.
Hello guys, it's your girl Victoria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So in today's video we're gonna have another vlog. So I'm back again with another vlog, period. So technically today is like a Friday and I don't know what I'll be done with editing and everything like that, but on my way to the beach with my friends because it's literally gonna be warm today. So how do you call it, I've never been to the beach in Sweden. I've never been to a beach in Sweden. It's always the river or the pool or the lake or something like that, but today we decided to go to the beach because you're going to take some beach pictures. You already know what's up, like you already know what's up. But yeah, so technically I'm done dressing. I did this natural makeup because I gotta get my photo shoot. You feel me? Like, you feel me? I'm so bougie, like, yeah. So I'm technically gonna take the train and go meet, where we are going, it actually takes like 1 hour 15 minutes, almost 2 hours. So I'm gonna meet my friends at the train station and then we take the train from there and then we go. So basically that's it. Like, I've packed my things, I got my bikini on and all that. I'm gonna just show you guys my outfit real quick. This is how I look. Excuse the mess in my room because your girl got a lot of package, or like a lot of, how do you call it, a lot of things that I have to like review to you all, so you all gotta see that later. So as I said, this is how I look. I don't look all that I look like a snack, period. I'm done right now, so I'm just waiting for my tram that I'll take and then go meet my friends and then we take the train from there. So yeah, I'm gonna see you all when we get into the train, I guess. So say ya. Okay guys, we are literally in the train now and we are making some crazy ass noise. I'm just hoping they don't suck us from the train or whatever, but I'm looking cute or whatever. Like, I look like girl, you don't even need to show everything. And I got my little basket here. Like, yeah, it looks like I'm going to the market or whatever. Like, it's all for the photo shoot, period. So we're in the train. The train is about to move very soon. Girl, the train about to move very soon. So yeah. I got my photographer here. Samson, you already know her, and I don't know who she is.
Bitch, shut up.
Like,
you love me. You're my biggest fan. Add me on social
She's
media.
just a stranger who is trying to like get fame.
Okay.
Be part of my So we in the bus now. Ilhan, how you feeling?
Sick.
Can you push? Go there. Corona. Speak.
Nugget's outfit, as you can see at Portofino. I forgot this is a English challenge.
You are so weird. Sasa, how you feeling?
I'm hungry.
Oh my god, Sasa, your skin is looking so good. So we in the bus right now and I'm carrying nothing because I'm carrying my ass. Yeah! It's too fat. It's too fat. Fat, like fat. Like, yo, come on, mom, people, let's go.
Go let it sash. Ya wes part kadang di sini.
Oh my god, the breast raising, my nipple shades.
No.
So guys, we finally here. And just the water, they said it's a sea, but this doesn't look like a sea. It looks like actually a river, like a big river, or I don't know, something. It's not a sea, definitely not a sea. So yeah, can you guys wait for me? And it's, I think it's only like, what's the time? The time is like just 12 or something, and there are a lot of people here already. Like, yo. So guys, we are here, motel or whatever, and just look at the view. Like, you see me? Plus the view, it's too extra, and I love being extra.
We know.
You see the Milan glow, like, like you can get the skin though. Like the skin though. The skin though. Grace on fleek, outfit on fleek, everything on fleek, when you're going to the water, please. Just with the real camera. I'm going to the current water. That's my life. Okay, it's cold, literally. Corona who? Ain't nobody scared of Corona.
Corona. Go, walk, left, right, left, right, left, right. I see the ass.
Let's go, let's go. Pull up, bitch. Pull up, like, come on. Catch him up.
Wow. Left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Vad ska vi ha för glass?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Jag tror jag ska gå för brownie eller chocolate.
Nej, jag tror jag ska ta cola eller hallon. Men det här är god då. Hallon med rulle.
Mamma, say hi.
Det här är blåbärkan, blåma.
Yo, say hi.
Hi, Vicky.
Oh my god, you are so weird. Mama, you looking good. Oh my days, B.
Vi kan gå upp och sätta er där.
Okay guys, so right now we are on a food hunt because I'm starving. I don't know, I think we're gonna get like hamburgers and fries, I'm guessing. I don't really know yet, but it all depends on what they have. Actually, I'm not gonna get hot dog because I feel like it's not gonna be nice or whatever. But yo, it's so hot. I feel like it's like 32 degrees. Samson, what do you think? Yeah, because it's like very, very hot. Like it's way hotter than we imagine. Yeah, it's like 27. You call up on no shopping. It's like 27, but I feel like in the sun right now it's like 32 or something like that. But I guess we are on the food hunt. We are on the food hunt.
We're hungry. It's so hot.
But the funny thing right now, yeah, there are a lot of people here, and you can't even like imagine it. Like it's like from here, it's like all the way there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, literally, that's how far it is. But I don't know. It's like something else altogether. You know what's funny? The way people are staring. No. So finally we found the, how do you call it, the food place, or I don't know, the mini shop for food. I'm guessing. But anyway, we went all the way there, and then we came back, and then now here we found it finally. We're gonna get, how do you call it, hamburger, the 150 gram for 95 crowns, because that one is the bigger price, like the bigger size, I think. And it has it goes with the fries and the drinks. Yeah, so technically that's what we're gonna get. I think Samson's gonna get the same thing too, because I'm very hungry. Yo, the queue is long. Yo, like everybody is starving. God, I don't know when it's gonna be out of 10, but like, yeah. So guys, we just finished ordering our food. We got our drinks, we are waiting for it, and literally, as I said before, we ordered hamburgers and fries. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're waiting for it, and there's a long queue. I don't know when our food when our food will be done, but I'm just hoping very soon, cause the girl's starving, like. And I'm still looking cute as usual, like, yo. But for real, like, it's so hot. I don't think it's a good idea to have makeup on when it's this hot. Like, you literally gotta let your skin breathe. But the reason why I did makeup was like, you already know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's it, literally. So let's just wait for the food, and when the food comes, I'm gonna show you all the food or whatever. So yeah, see ya. So we just got our food, and I said hamburgers and fries. Oh, I'm starving, but we have to go back to our friends. And I don't even want to give them my food, but I got no choice.
Sharing is sharing.
You know where I come from. Let's go. So we're gonna go to them now. Okay, let's go.
Peace out.
Whoop. Okay, so right now we're done with everything, and we are waiting for the bus to go back home. But like, yeah, so look at Amal waiting for the train. Some. Ilhan, she's dead. I don't know what the wrong with her. And why are you even smiling? The camera is not even on. I'm funny as crap.
Fattiga, de har bilar, de bara lyssnar på det här. Men då rätt undan så går någonstans och ringte mig. Ja, samma här. Det är en bilder, det kommer heller. Vad sa det? Det var
Guys, som gör mig irriterad på henne, hon kommer inte ens lägga i bilden. So it's like, it's just a waste of time.
Jag skulle lägga bilden om det skulle vara fina, bitch.
Så menar du bilden när jag tog på det var inte fin?
Jo, det var fina. Men det bakgrund och allt det där var fint. Jag var fin, men what the fuck?
Oh my god, Ilhan.
Hon vill inte bara göra dig ledsen.
Amal.
Men det är true, jag var fint det. Jag för sure. You don't have to.
I just got home and I'm about to take out my braids and then take a shower and all that. So that's it for today's video. It was a very long day. I'm very tired, like you have no idea. I'm so tired, but it's been a long day but fun as well. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. There you go. See, and that's on what, period. Bye you all, thank you for watching. Bye.